Just by doing the simple routine, you can make a huge difference. I mean, granted, I don't have any makeup, any concealer, anything. Instantly, you can see my eye area is depuffed and I look a lot more awake. It's brightened, and this routine didn't take that long. It's almost like real time that I'm showing you guys. Hi everyone, to the bone, this is Darcy, and today I look pretty tired. Now with my baby, I'm shooting usually in the evening, so towards the end of the day, I'm exhausted. I have dark circles, my eyes are puffy, I haven't been sleeping much. So I want to show you my routine when I am super tired like this. If you want to see how to turn around a tired face, keep on watching. But before we get to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Now let's get to it. I still use my ice globes. I always keep in the refrigerator. I mentioned in a few videos, basically what it is they have coolant liquid inside and you keep on the refrigerator so they're always cool, but never cool enough that would break any veins, but they're amazing and they're super soothing. If you don't have the ice globe, you can also keep a spoon on the refrigerator and just do it this as well. A cold spoon also really helps. Or you can also do with a green tea. Any green tea bag, you can brew the tea and then with the green tea bag, put it on a little plastic bag on the refrigerator so it's cool, and then you can just put it on your eyes as well. I usually start with the ice globes, so I just roll it like this. And instantly you feel like your eyes start waking up. And I kind of do the whole face too, because I think especially it helps with the pores. It's gonna keep moving and rolling, so it helps to release the fluids as well as wake up the eyes. And I like rolling on the face as well. I don't have anything on my face. When you don't have anything on your face, you just roll the eyes. You just roll the globes. After I do the ice globes, I've been really enjoying my mDNA roller for the eye. And I also find that it helps a lot. So I just roll I roll 10 times up and 10 times this way. And I also like to do this with the little tiny tip. I do this. And you can also use the small roller or the big roller to do your face as well. And make sure at the end you do this to kind of release the fluids of your lymph nodes down. If you don't have an mDNA roller or a face roller like this one, you can also do a jade roller. And you can do the same thing, up. And with the small part, you do your eye. This helps to release the fluids, and you can also do the same way here. Because that way, all the things that you drag to your lymph nodes can be released. Sorry, my J roller is very squeaky because it's very old. This is an alternative if you don't have the mDNA roller or any of your skin roller. Or you can even do with a gua sha, but I like the rollers just for easy, and that way I don't actually have to put any cream on it. I just do quickly rolling. So you can use a eye cream as well, but for this quick routine to just kind of wake up my face, I don't put any cream. So that's why I don't use the gua sha, because the gua sha you need oil. So those two are definitely a must. Any face roller that you have at home, or a jade roller or quartz roller, any roller that you have, it really helps to release all the fluids and kind of wake up your face. So now you guys can see that the face is already looking a little more awakened. So now I'm going to put in a little eye mask to help spruce everything up. I still use my Die Hard Clarins mask, which is a skin moving eye mask. I mentioned this so many videos. I still love this mask. I do feel like it helps not just with puffy eyes. I do this because I have very little in there. So this one I feel like it helps depuff, and also I find that it even takes the redness of my eyes. But if you don't have this one, sometimes I do just a regular gel mask. Whatever's left, I put on my lid. And the roller leave my face a little red, but it will go away after a little bit. So I'll leave this for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. So now it's been about 11 minutes. So you can leave for 10 minutes or so. And after that, I remove with a moist washcloth. All you do is just, with a moist washcloth, you just remove it. And I love how easy it is to remove masks. I just poke my eye and I just dry it. As you guys can see on this eye is a lot brighter, and even the white one, the white part is brighter just with that mask. But this one I just poked myself in the eye when I was removing it. After that, I usually like to do an eye drop as well, because my eyes, because I did a lot of computer work, tend to get super red. So I do an eye drop. So you can use any eye drop you like. I like the Sustain Ultra. It's super moisturizing, which is basically just regular eye drops. And Iridina is a brand that sells in Italy. My friend actually brought it to me. This is amazing. I love using it for it. This is more like a makeup. I use just to take the red out, and I use the Sustain Ultra just as a moisturizer. But my mother-in-law also gave me this Lumify for Launch and Balm, and this one is insane. Like, your eyes become super, super white, like a little freakishly white almost. So I use this very seldom, like if I'm going out, if I'm doing like a makeup that, you know, is almost like a makeup, this one. I only use very little, because the type of eye drops that take the red out, they can be really dry into the eyes. So I don't suggest using like Lumify or Iridina too often. I usually do, again, when I'm super tired or when I'm shooting a video. But normally using a daily moisturizing eye drop is really good, especially if you work with computers, and especially in this day and age that we're always on our phones. That really dries our eyes. So, you know, just use a regular moisturizing eye drops, which is basically like tears, especially when you're tired. It does definitely help wake up the eye from the inside out. As you guys can see, granted I don't have any makeup on right now, and I'll have the video next to me, so I'll have a side by side so you guys can see the difference. Just by doing the simple routine, you can make a huge difference. I mean, granted, I don't have any makeup, any concealer, anything. Instantly, you can see my eye area is depuffed and I look a lot more awake. It's brightened, and this routine didn't take that long. It's almost like real time that I'm showing you guys. I think the longest step that took was the eye mask. That was 10 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Bye.